So hello and welcome to this new video of the digital electronics. Today we are going to explore binary addition, and this is basically the 9th video of our playlist digital electronics. So today we are going to see binary addition, and there are some thumb rules that you need to follow to do the binary addition. So first thumb rule, let me just change the color over here. Okay, so the first thumb rule is simple, that 0 plus 0 will become 0, right? Second thumb rule, 0 plus 1 will become 1. Third, 1 plus 0 will also become 1. And the fourth thumb rule, that is 1 plus 1. Okay, now 1 plus 1 we all know it is 2, but that 2 is in the decimal, not in the binary. So for binary, 1 plus 1 will be 1 0. Okay, so 0 will be your answer and 1 will be your carry. Okay, I will write over here, 0 is your answer of the addition, and 1 is simply, you can say, carry, right? And there is one fifth thumb rule also, that 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, if you are having this kind of situation, 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? Simply it should be 3, but it is definitely in the decimal, right? Not in the binary. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 in the binary will become double 1. Okay, so here this 1, okay, this 1 will be your answer, and another one that will be your carry, right? If you are able to understand these thumb rules, you are very much clear with binary addition. Okay, binary addition is the simplest topic in the digital electronics. Now before moving to this video's topic, I just want to announce you something, that from now onwards digital electronics new videos will come on every Monday as well as on every Saturday at 6 p.m. right? So if you are following this playlist, you can definitely come on every Monday and every Saturday. Now without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now we'll see quickly the theoretical addition method. So what you need to do first, you need to add bits column wise. Okay, you need to add the bits column wise from the LSB. Okay, and if there are some carry, that also you need to add. So that is the first step. On the second step, what you need to do, you need to put the sum. Okay, after adding the bits column wise, you need to put the sum at the bottom of that particular column. And lastly, after doing the addition, if you are having any carry, that you will shift to the next column. Okay, so these are the three theoretical steps that you need to follow. Now let's implement these steps with the examples. So examples are very important to understand the theoretical aspects. Okay, so first example over here is, we have two numbers that we need to add. Okay, I'll write down the first number. The first number is 1100 1100. So it's a 8-bit number. And the second number that we need to add is 110 Okay, so these two numbers we need to add. So we will add the numbers column wise from the LSB. So this side is definitely be your LSB. So first column is this, 0 plus 0 will be 0. Similarly on the second column, 0 plus 1 will be 1. Here 1 plus 0 is 1, and here 1 plus 1. We have seen in the thumb rules that 1 plus 1 is 1 0, where 0 is your answer and 1 is your carry, right? Again here if you see, we now have one carry that we have shifted to the next column, right? And for each and every column, the sum we are putting at the bottom of that particular column. So we are following the theoretical steps that we have seen in the previous slide. Now here we have carry. So in this column we need to add all of the three numbers, right? So that is 1 plus 0 plus 1, right? So it's simply 1 plus 1. Again the answer is 1 0, where 0 is your answer and 1 is your carry. Now here we need to add these three numbers. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Again what we have over here, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 answer is, I guess, 0, and 1 is your carry. Now here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? So the answer will be 1 and carry is again 1. But here now we do not have any column over here, so we will write the carry over here, and this is your answer, right? I hope after watching this example you are very much clear with how to do the binary addition. Still we will take 2 more examples. So let's move to the next example. In this example, what the question is, we need to add 28 and 15, but after converting them into binary. So it is very simple, right? Here we will use shortcut trick. The shortcut trick is 16 8 4 2 1. This shortcut trick also I have told you in the first or second video. You guys can check it out on the playlist, as well as I will put the video over here somewhere, so you can click on that I button and you can go to that video. Now we want 28, so I guess it's 16 plus 8 is 24, and 24 plus 4 is 28, and for these 2 bits we will put 0. So 28's binary is 11100, and for 15, I guess you all remember this, it is nothing but 1 1 1 and 1, right? I have told you in the beginning of this playlist that you need to by heart the binary number of 0 to 15. Now let's do the summation. Here we have 1 1 1 0 0, plus we will add 1 1 1 and 1, right? The second number is of 4 bit, the first number is of 5 bit, so we need to write them in this order, right? So again, 0 plus 1 over here will become 1, 0 plus 1 over here will become 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So our answer is 0 and carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, so answer will be, yes, definitely 1, and carry will be 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0, so your answer is 0 and carry is 1. Again, we do not have any next column, so we will write down the carry over here, and this is your answer, right? I hope you were able to understand this example. Now let's move on to the last example of this video. So here we are taking the rational numbers, or you can say fractional numbers. So if you are having any kind of doubt in this type of numbers, so that also will be cleared over here. So now what we need to do, we will write down the numbers first. The first number is 1111.1010, and the second number is 1001.1011. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to follow the steps only. We will do the addition from the LSB, and addition we will do column wise. Okay, so the first column we are having is 0 plus 1, the answer will be 1. Here 1 plus 1, your answer will be 0, and the carry will be 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, your answer will be 1. 1 plus 1, your answer will be what? Yes, 0, and carry will go here, right? The carry is 1, that will go over here. Now here we need to write down the point, because there is a point. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it is double 1, so answer is 1, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0, right? So here the answer is 0 and carry is 1. Again we are getting the same, 1 plus 1, so your answer will be 0 and carry will be 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, your answer will be 1 and the carry will be 1, right? So this is your answer. I hope with these 3 examples you are very much clear with how to do the binary addition. The binary addition is the very simple topic in the digital electronics. Still, if you are not clear with any of the examples, please put it down in the comments. And thank you very much everyone for following me throughout this journey. With this, I want to do a small request to subscribe my channel, because your subscription will definitely motivate me a lot to bring this kind of content regularly on this channel. As well as you can follow me on the Instagram and LinkedIn. Here also I am putting interesting posts about the electrical engineering and the latest going on in the technology. So that also you can do by following me on the Instagram as well as on the LinkedIn. So with that, let's wrap up the video, and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.